Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to clean up inactive user account profiles user folders in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, follow some easy steps. Click on start and type here system properties. Now you will see about your PC, so open it. Now scroll down, and if you are using Windows 10, so you will see option advanced system settings, and in Windows 11 here is option, so open it. Now here is the setting user profiles. Click on settings. Now guys, here you will see some profiles. You can delete and you can save data. As we can see, this is using 2.50 MB, some 5 GB, and some is more using. So just select it and click on delete. Are you sure you want to delete the profile for following user? Click on yes, like this. So it's easy and quick way to delete a profile in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not. And after guys, this processor will be complete. Just restart your PC. Please comment this video useful for you or not.